गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस। आई थिंक सो सब लोगों ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है। Yeah, let me know inside the chat section. Oh, chat section is disabled for you. Yeah, let me activate it. Yes. So good afternoon. Is I'm audible to everyone, guys? It's 12 noon and good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the Power BI live Power BI session, guys. It's day 12. Yes, audible, audible, audible. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hope all of you are doing good. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the another session, another lesson of the Power BI. Yeah, absolutely fine. Not that much, but good afternoon. I've sent all the recordings, I think so. I'll ask team member to send and again. We'll do one thing, we'll keep all the recordings at one place where you can access this. Later on, we'll send that one PDF or something like that. We'll send all the recording, don't worry. 10 and 11, same recording. Okay. Don't worry. I'll update it and I'll send you. Maybe there was something mistakes. Okay, welcome. Let all the people join first. We'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then we'll start. Meanwhile, I'll check the recording whether it is properly uploaded or not. Recently, I watched this video. You guys must be watched this video. I don't know. I don't want to tell that much little bit about that. But anybody watch this video? Yesterday, I think so. Yesterday, one of my team members sent me this video. This one. Sorry, it's screen not shareable. Let me share with you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm talking about this video. Has anybody watched that video? You must watch it. You'll come to know. You should be aware of the things what is going in the market nowadays. There are a lot of with the name of Twitter. There are a lot of spammer in the market, and I just searched with the name of this person, and I got not one or two reviews. There are many videos on this particular like name with the name of this particular person. If you haven't watched it, I request you to go and watch it because these are the people. They are like making something. Yes, you may gone through the advertise and all. Gayatri is saying yes. So don't like those who are not haven't watched it. Go and watch this video. You'll come to know about it. What these guys are making in the market. What kind of spam they are doing in the market.
This is a this dashboard.
Second
This is
axis, but we are having. Okay, let me share with you now the day 11 recording. I am going to share that in group also. This is day 11. And about day 10, where it is. day 10. I think so. Day 10 was not there. No problem. Day 10, I'll send you later on the group. Yes, Gayatri, you're right. About which link? You can search with his name, Pratik ji. You can search with his name. You'll get a lot of videos about the same about the same that I've just shown you. Okay, now let's go ahead and start. I think so. Everyone has joined. Yes, got it, got it. I'll find out that recording. So sorry, I'll check it out on. I have uploaded on YouTube actually, but maybe there is something missing. I'll find out that and I'll send it to you. Right now, I'm not getting day 10 recording. Day 10, day 10, day 10. Okay. So it's time to go ahead now, guys. Everyone has joined. I think so. Let me check it out. Counting. Good to go. Yeah. Yes. Join. So here it is. Yesterday there was one question from I don't remember the person name. Can anybody just recall me? The question was that how to export data from Power BI to Excel. Right? How to export means I have a data in Power BI now. Like take an example, I have saved this file. This is a PBIX file, and I have these tables inside the Power BI, and I want to export into the Excel. So this was the question someone asked me, and I have gone through it. I have studied on it, and I got the answer actually. I have checked some YouTube videos, but they are not explaining properly. They are not. They are giving me this option that you can go online portal. Let me show you online portal. Here it is. Export from that online, but here it is. If you have online, then it will give you an option this analyze in Excel, export analyze in Excel. But in order to get this Power BI services, again, you need to pay $10 monthly. So only in companies you can do this if you are having company license and all. So I have specially, but I don't want that everybody cannot like they are telling this method that export analyze in Excel from this method. But this is not the way that you can do. Then I searched little bit, somebody telling that get to the column chart and prepare your column or any chart. Suppose you are preparing any column chart here, like you are showing quantity as per the something like that. And now you can export this report. But if you are exporting, like suppose take example only a month wise data, if you are exporting this data, whatever data will be here, so this will display only Jan, Feb, March and April reports only. So whatever the report that you are preparing, that can be export from here. Only the data can be export the preparing from like X and Y axis, whatever the data is available. So if you export this as a CSV, it will display sum of quantity by month. And let me open into the desktop, sum of quantity by month. Here it is. Now you're getting sum of quantity by month. Only Jan Feb. This is that much you can only see over there. So what I instead of doing this, what I did actually, look at or on screen now. uh, what I did basically, I took a table here. I just apply some logic. That's not the big logic again. I took a table here and I drag all the fields from here. Like April says customer ID, delivery status, food item, order ID, order date, payment method, quantity, restaurant ID. But one thing you need to notice over here again, you're getting year-wise record. I want it should be a date-wise. So instead of date, order date hierarchy, I'll choose here. I'll click on this drop down, and instead of date hierarchy, I'll remove this date hierarchy by clicking on order date. If you click on order date, it will display only order date. Now you can see inside the table, you're getting order date, and this table is expanding now. The more record is coming over there because it's coming by day. Not just that, guys. I need to desummarize the report too. Because if there is a numerical values in your data, always remember, if there is a numerical value in your data, whenever you are preparing any report in Power BI, it will automatically summarize that record. I don't want to summarize. I want to de-summarize this one. So click and say don't summarize. Again, here it is. For the sum of quantity, click here and say don't summarize because I want exact data without any kind of summarization and without any kind of addition or date manipulation and something like that. I want exactly plain data that previously I have imported from Excel to Power BI. Now I wanted to export from Power BI to Excel. So I got all the data. Now, once I got it, I'll click on this export data option and that's it, guys. This is the way that you can do data to. I'll just name it data to. Previously, I practiced it. This one is my practice export data. I'll try with different data. And I got that this is the authentic way that do export data from Power BI file to Excel file. I think there is no such a YouTube videos on the no such a videos on YouTube basically. I just recently check it. I'll show you my page also. I was searching for that. I think it's went up somewhere. Yeah, here it is. I was checking these videos. So how to extract PBI's file, but these are the people already given different like they are not exact trick that we are looking for. The Leela Garani ma'am also given the trick, but she's also telling some online method. Again, you need to have the PBI's account service, Power BI services, then only you can do it. Okay. And as a data uh, like data analyst aspire, you want to become a data analyst, right? Or you want to become like Power BI developer. So you need to check all the channel, guys. I always recommended people go and watch the Pawan Lalwani videos, even Leela Garani videos. Maybe pronunciation you will not able to understand, but she's very expert. And not just that, there is one more, that is Chandu, my friend Chandu. Okay. So he is also very expert in the particular data domain. So for Hindi language, there are so many people, Rishabh and all, even Shashank, Learn with Geeks and all. So I always recommend people to go and watch their videos because they are making efforts to make the simple things. Okay. So whenever you are like stuck with the data, just go and use your like YouTube friend, or else chat GPT nowadays will help you in that case. But this is the solution of that problem that yesterday, I think so, Gurudev, you have asked this question, right? Or someone else who basically asked the question, I don't remember it. Okay, thank you very much. Now let's go ahead. Should I go ahead? Just put down yes inside the chat section. Good, go ahead. You got it, this one? Just drop it, got it, and go ahead. Is that chat section enabled? I don't get any reply from you guys. Yes, now got it. Yeah, it was okay. Got it, getting reply. Thank you. Yes, everyone topping. Got it. Go ahead. So now always remember, as an enthusiastic of data analyst, as a like as you are thinking about to become a data analyst, you need to be always look broadly wherever you are getting some things to learn about the data or something to learn about Power Query, Power BI, SQL. Just go ahead and grab that opportunity. Okay, don't think that I have learned so many things. No, it's not that. Learning never be like waste, and learning never stop. Somebody should not stop their learning. No problem, Mahavirji. Go ahead. I just explained how to export the data from these files. Okay. So now let's go ahead and learn today's session. Yesterday I told you about the map chart. You can go and do the things with the map chart. There is again Azure map, and you can go ahead and use the Azure map also. But Azure map requires again the sync display Azure map visual sign in required again. This is not the free one that you are getting with this. There are some visualization that in order to access that visualization, you need to have the Power BI account and Power BI I even like you can ask guys me to can we create the Power BI account now? We can create, but we in order to create the Power BI account, you need to have a business email again. See, business email, only business email can be accepted. The email which is started with your company domain, that is called a business email. For example, you are working in a TCS, then it must be like ganesh@tcs.com, right? That is your business email. You cannot sign in with the free Gmail account or something like that. So in order to get business email, again, you need to have domain and so many things. So we are preparing that actually. We are preparing that how can we offer a business email to you guys, but it's really hectic nowadays. Like we are working on it. We are finding that if someone is giving us what that educational license for this email, we are looking for that only. So now next part is that Azure. After that, there is a God chart. You can use a God chart too. God chart, in God chart, like let me, we don't have that much data for the God chart right now, but let's drag it and see the result. Suppose I'm dragging a payment, sorry, quantity inside in a, we don't have actually, we should have a minimum or maximum value. Then only we can go for it. Now got it. Let's go to the count. It is coming into the count. Here it is. Let's say count. No, we should have minimum value and maximum only value and then target value. These three values minimum requirement to get this particular chart. So we don't have that kind of data right now. If we I'll specially conduct the lectures on this particular how to create the God chart using this sort of data. So I'll get that data and I'll explain you later on how to do this particular, because we need to have that kind of data. Only with that data we are going to apply this minimum value, then maximum value, target value on that. Even we can do some calculations on it and we'll show inside here also some report. So like later on we'll go and see that one, because it asks the different kind of things. Again, if you drag something like in a quantity, it will represent like this. If you are directly dragging, this is a plain God chart where is no target and nothing. But if you want to add the target and something like that, you can go ahead and put the target values here. If you have target column over here, suppose let's drag this one, for example, I think so this will count. Now this is what your target value. This is not the actual value, but I'm just putting one count of this order ID. So it is showing this is your target and you have achieved more than that. Okay. So this will display like this. This is a God chart basically. Next one, card. We have learned about the card. This is what old card, and this is here it is again. Sorry, here it is again new card. I think I have explained both the cards, right? Just let me know yes inside the chat section. Okay, no problem. I'll explain the card once again. Okay, Juniji. Okay, Saurabh. Okay, Vikas. Okay, ठीक है. Let's go ahead now. So here it is the card basically, guys. Once you taken a card will allow you add a field here. So you can drag any field like take example this order ID and I want to say show the count, total count. So now I'll go here, but instead of doing one thing, let me tell you one thing again. Instead of dragging this value inside the card, we can make a calculated measures and add into here, because this is also giving us a summarized record. But instead of dragging this quantity column directly, we can get a summarize into the different like in a calculated measure. So how to basically calculate the measure, how to get that calculate measure, let me tell you. This is again a small text function. Let me tell you how to do it. Just right click on order ID and click on new measure. I repeat, right click on orders data table, The table for which we are going to create a measure, we have to select that table and right click on it and click on the new measure. So once you added a new measure, look at it. Once you click on new measure, you will able to see this particular formula bar. Formula bar will be hidden if there is no calculation, such a calculation we are making. But whenever you are like you want to make some calculation, then formula bar will be visible for you. So I have added one measure. Now measure name will be displayed here. So let me assign the name for this measure. You can increase this size, this particular size of this measure by pressing Control plus button on keyboard. Control plus, control plus, control minus to increase and decrease size of this particular measure. Sometimes you are not able to see, or like if you are explaining this function to somebody, so that time you can press the control buttons to explain. Now I'm going to type this measure is all about uh, total quantity. I want to calculate the total quantity. So I'm writing here total quantity. Okay. So next is equal to, we need to add what we need to add. We need to add all the quantity which is available inside this particular field. So in order to get, we need to apply some formula, sum of what? Sum of, let's type the quantity first, Q. Only type the quantity. Once you type the quantity, you will get this order data quantity. We are looking for order data quantity, not the CMART one. So order data quantity, and I'll close it and I'll press enter. Once I press, this is the basic DAX. You should remember this. This is generally like Excel formula. So this is the basic DAX that I have created now, and I press enter. So once I select this particular column, it will calculate all the values which is available in that particular column, in quantity column, and it will generate a new result for you, and you can drag and drop it inside here. So similarly, you are getting same result which we have previously calculated with the quantity. If you drag the quantity here, it is also giving you a same result. But here it is, we have calculated our new measure, and with the help of, we can display the report like this. Okay. Next, this is what basically single card. In this card, once you click on this card, you'll get format your visual option. In callout value, you can manage the color and size of this particular value, that is 15K. You can manage everything like color, size, and font. Even the display units, you don't want it should be auto. You can say none. So it will display the exact value. If you don't want to display exact, you can go for the 1000. You can go for the auto. So keeping auto, it is best way to minimize the size of that particular callout value. Now, next one, that is text wrap, and that is not important. Text wrap must be on basically, and it is by default on. When there is like little bit long value, it will become down. Like it will be like one line, two. It will be divided into two line. Okay. So text wrap and source spacing is not required to do anything. In category label, we can switch off and switch on the category label, but we want that category label should be displayed there. And even we can make the formatting to the category label, whatever you want. So this much formatting is available only for this card. There is no like logic, or there is no lot difficulties, something like, there is only two categories available. And in general, we are going to apply some effects like I told you about. You can remove the background, even you can apply the visual border, and you can go for the border width. You can make it round corners to 10. I'll make it round corners to 10, and I'll keep border black. So this is what you can go and add the card formatting. But if you are adding new card offers you a lot of things. Let's go ahead and check it out. New card. If you add new card allow you to add multiple fields in the data. Now let's go ahead and drag the quantity. First, I added quantity. I want to get the average quantities order. So in order to calculate the average, again, right click on it. Of course, you can do it dragging by this quantity column here and clicking on this drop down and selecting average. Allow you to get the average of that quantity. But I want to create the new measure for it. To separate column should be there. In that column, like that's why I'm making this. Later on, you'll come to know why I'm creating this separate measure. Because in future, whenever we want to create this particular reports, particular values report, we can create it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and add new measure again. Right click, new measure. You can right click on this particular things, or you can go here on a new measure option. Okay, here it is. In table tools, you are getting new measure. So this because we have selected the table. Now right click on new measure again, and I'm calculating average quantity. Now, what will be the formula? Anybody? What will the formula? For average, let me know inside the chat section. Come on, guys. It's simple formula. What will be the formula? Exactly, Rajesh. Average. Okay. Once you type A, V, average, Praveen, correct. So now select the table first, means select the column directly. Direct type by quantity QU because we need to calculate the average of this quantity column, and that's why go ahead and type the QU only. Then it will give you all the column list, and here it is the table name and column name. Just press the enter, and now once you press the enter, you will get this average quantity here. Now drag this here. So this is what card allows you. Multi-card, this new card allows you to create a multiple cards, multiple values inside here. Again, you can add a lot more like order ID too and get the count of this. I want to get the count of this order ID. So I'll do with the help of measure, I want to do it. So I'll click on new measure again. Total transactions. I'll name it as the total transactions. Count means transactions. Total transactions. So I'll apply the formula. What will be the formula? Now let me know. I want to count all the rows. Total transactions. Yes. Count rows. Count all rows. Yes. Rajesh, right. So count rows. Count rows. Right. So count rows is the formula for that. And I'm going to type orders. I'm going to select the table directly, orders data, because I want to calculate from orders data total rows. So here it is. We are getting total transaction. I'm dragging this total transaction into. So these are the basic DAX that everybody should know, guys. This is not that much hard DAX. Just select the count rows formula. Just see these DAX. You can take the screenshot of these particular things. These are the basic DAX. Now you are getting three different. Now let's understand the formatting. Format your visual. Now there is no only two options. There are 5 different options for this layout. Go and select the layout first. Let's understand the formatting in a proper way now. Single row, no, I want go for multi-row. So grid, select the grid. In grid, go for 2 rows and 2 columns. So it will allow you to add this one. Let me add something here. Let's go and do something else. We don't have any numerical values, but what we can add here? Let's add quantity again. Let's add quantity again by dragging this quantity column here, and I'm adding this, and I'll show maximum quantity order. Okay, instead of anything, I'll show the maximum one. I didn't create the DAX function. I just I want one more value inside the card. That's why. So now let's go back to the layout again. Grid allow you to divide into the multiple column and rows. And if you want to display single column, you can go for single column. You can go for single row. This way you can go for and select the grid. Even customized spacing, it will allow you to space between cards. So it is by default 8x space for between every card. So you can go and increase or decrease the card. If I want 16x, I can make it double the space between every card. But I don't want to like make it that much space. It's 8 space is enough. You can go and customize the horizontal and vertical space too between rows and column. Next one is call out value. Let me minimize this layout and let's jump back to the next one, that is call out value. In call out, it allow you that, look at here carefully. In call out, we are having these 4 cards together. If you are selecting all, if you select all, this particular formatting will apply together on everyone. But if you have decided like, let's go and change the formatting of total quantity, you can change it. Look at that. This particular formatting is applying only on total quantity. But once you change it from here for total quantity, now let's go back to the all. And if you are like doing something, take example, you are changing color from here. Right now it is applying for all, but the bold is apply only for this. Okay. And next thing, if you are checking average quantity here, now let's change the average quantity color. This is going to be applied for this particular. So this way you should remember, if you are changing a color or whatever, it should be like, if you want for all, you can go for all. If you want customize for everyone, you can go. And here it is reset to default button. Again, you can go back to the reset one, original one, reset to default. Now, not just the formatting, you can go and transfer these particular values color. Even you can make it center, right, left. Okay, alignment too. And for blank, it will show the hyphen. Okay, if it is there blank. Let's go. If you want, if you don't want label to be display, you can hide it. But label is coming at the top. Now I want to show it at bottom. So expand the label now. And here it is again label formatting. You can change the font, you can go and change the color, bold, italic, everything. But here it is showing above value. I want it should be a below value. But there is lot spacing between these particular two. So instead of 8 space, I'll go for 2 space only, 2 pixel. So now the space has been decreased between these two. So it's up to you whether you want to keep the space, large space or minimum space. You can go ahead and change it. Okay. Match value align also, if there is no alignment properly, it will be like this option should be enabled whenever you are taking into the center, so must be go into the center. Both can like both will be moved into the center once you applied center. Align baseline, it should be there. So here it is again, you can put it top, middle and bottom. It should be middle always, but you can go ahead, put it top, middle and bottom. So this is again alignment. Let's go to the reference label. Let's minimize this all things. I'll minimize call out. I'll minimize. I'll expand this one. So this will allow you to apply setting total quantity or else average quantity where you want to change the reference. You want to add some reference for the total quantity. Go to the add data and you can add for this particular, suppose this column. So this is what the reference column will show you, something that will help you to add the particular summarization of that particular column. So now it is showing sum of quantity 15K. Reference column, you can add it, but we don't need it reference actually. Basically, if you need it for total quantity, I want for average quantity. Average quantity, I want to add this reference, something like that. Like again, take this one. So it will add for this one. So reference means you can add the another summarization to that particular value. And if you don't want that summarize, you can go and check it at to average. Here it is, sorry. Instead of sum, you can go and average. Oh, it's still showing summarization. We have to close this one, then only. Okay, now it is coming average. Average of quantity. You can add like this summarization. Yeah, this is the reference. Again, you can add another values to that bottom of that values, but for that particular. And if you want for all, you can go for all also. Okay, but I don't want to apply for this. Right now, I'll remove it. Reference label. Another value. Now, let's talk about the images. For images, let me enable this one. Here it is. One option is images and another option is card, where you can apply the background as in a background. You will find out again browse option to add the images in a background too. Okay, so there are two ways to add the images, but this images help you to add what we can, so icons inside the chart, icons inside the cards. So now I have selected the image. Now I'm clicking on browse. Look at here now. Now I must have some images, and I have some images actually. Let me show you here. Yeah, these are the images that I have. I think I shown you this one, how to add it, but let me explain it again. I want to show the sales. This may be a sales or something like that. I want to show this icon. So now this icon is appearing for every image right now, but I want customize icon for every particular cards. So instead of this, I'll remove this one. I'll do one thing. I'll select the total quantity first, and I'll go here and select the image again. So now this is added for this one. Let me adjust the size and all. So here it is. You will get the option. I think so. Image fit. Uh, Let me go ahead and add some 6 pixels. No, let's go 15 pixels. The image size is increasing. You can increase the size from here. So here it is the option there from you can increase the size of image. Now I want to go for 60 pixels. Let's go ahead and increase to 80, 100 pixels. So this way you can set the image size again. Space between image and image and content, you can decrease it 2 pixels between these. And you can put it left to right, right to left, right text. You can put it below text. You can put it above text, but I don't want this one. I want put it to right actually, right to the text. Okay. Let me go ahead and reset default again. Let me show you again. First click total quantity, select image should be like on here, then select browse and add your image. Whatever the image you have already taken, just select and apply. Once you add that image, you can make the transparency, but here it is again, you can make the alignment also. Right now it is center, it is a larger image, so alignment is not displaying. And go ahead and change the size. I'm going to apply 100 pixels. So now let's go ahead. And again, I'm selecting average quantity, guys. I'm going to enable this one. I'm going to select this average image. And instead of this, I'll make it center. I'll make the 100 pixel. Okay, now for the next card, I'll decrease the size of the card. This will look like this. For next card, I'm going to select again the next one. That is what total transactions. Switch on the image, click image. I don't have image here. Let's add this one. For now, I'm going to add that one. And again, go and change the size to the 100 pixel. The last one, that is what max quantity. For max quantity, you can add the image again. I'm adding similar one. Okay, no problem at all. Let's add the similar one. Okay. So this way you can add the images and you can display cards in a next level, like in a different way. Again, not just that, guys. It allows you to make cards formatting again. So in cards, you can go and change to the rounded rectangle to the card. In rectangle, round corners must be like it is little like we can say we should decrease the size the card. So now go ahead and decrease the size. Rounding basically. Rounded sides, the angle of the round corners I have decreased to 10. Then next one that you can increase the padding size. We don't need to change the padding again. Alignment is also going to change here. You can change the background color if you want. You can go and apply any background color for this card. And if you don't want, you can go and remove it. Even you can, in background, you can add the image also. Border, you can change here. Even shadow, you can apply shadow. Inside shadow, you are getting this option. You want inside shadow or outside shadow. This will look like this. If you want glow, you can go for glow, and even you can go for ascent bar. What is ascent bar? Basically, ascent bar will help you to show cards like this. From left side, you will able to see this kind of bar is representing to your chart. So this is the card that you are designing. And let me do one more thing. Click on the format visual. Let's go to the callout. Let's go to the general one. Effects. Here it is visual border. Let me on it and let me make it 10. I'm rounding the borders of entire cards too. So this way you can design your card by including images and all. Got it, guys? Just put down got it. Okay. No problem. Rajiv Kumarji, you can watch the recordings too. Got it. So I want you guys to do the similar things with your card. But the question is that how do I get these images? Right? I'll provide the images into the practice file. But let me tell you, you don't need to get these images from me. Even you can search on Google also. Go to the Google. Sorry. Say images and type any like whatever like you want to say you want to show the total sales png, you are getting total sales png images. And how to recognize these png images, I told you previously, that should be a like transparent background. Right click on it, say save image as. Yes, it should be a png. Here should be a png again. Then only you will able to do it. Okay, go to the desktop and save the name like no, whatever the name here, png image. So always remember, and still you're not getting any png image. If it is white background, go ahead and use busy remove like app, online website busy remove. You know busy remove, even mobile you may have the apps in a mobile. Upload your image. If that image is not having background png background, you can go ahead. Let me go into the download section. I may have the images where the background is. Suppose take an example, this one. I want to remove the background of this. There is a white background previously. So now transparent and download this. This is the way that you can make your transparent image. So here it is your transparent image now. So create your own image. Learn wisely, guys. Learn wisely. Whatever the things you are learning, there must be like some sort of graphic knowledge, some sort of images knowledge that you should have. Not only the Power BI learning, only Power BI knowledge that you should capture. You should grab the knowledge how to transfer, make a transparent background. Then only you can enhance your dashboard quality and so many things. Is there anything do you want to ask me, guys? Thank you very much. Play editation. Yes, we can add JPG too, but sometimes if you want to change the background color of that card, then JPG image, if it is not white background, if it is have like if there is you are adding something other color to the card, so that JPG image not showing properly on that card, the color. Basically, if it is JPG, then it is not adjusting with that background. That's why I'm asking you to create a PNG images always. Okay. So how to create PNG image that you're asking, Imranji, that I should repeat? Okay, I'll let you know, Shekhar. No problem. You can see the recording and Vikaji. Imranji, let me know what is that? Do you want to repeat? The EMG, sorry, how to create PNG images, or else do you want to repeat me a complete like how to add that card settings? Okay, let me tell you how to do it. Just click on the card slicer. Sorry, card, not slicer. Here it is new card. Then next one, drag the relevant things in your card that you want to display. I have drag all these things here. So now click on the format visual. Let's go first layout and change it to grid to to divide into the multiple rows and columns. So I've set it two columns and two rows. You can even customize the spacing. Next, you can adjust the call out one. Reference level that I told you, you can add another things inside your card if you want to show. We don't need it, so I'll minimize it. Images, let me minimize this one also. Next, images. Inside images, you can add individual image for each card by selecting the headings. I have selected the total quantity. The heading is here. I'll switch on this image section. I'll click on the browse and I'll select my image. Whatever the image that you have selected, go ahead and check it out this size by typing different size like 50 pixel. No, it's too small. It's not adjusting. So let's go ahead and keep it 100. So it's looking good. Okay, no issues now. You can take it to the right or left. You can align it as per your requirement. And even in the cards, you can assign the background. You can go to the like padding. You can normal wide padding. It will help you to decrease the size of that particular. But now let's go and apply the shadow. Even shadow is coming outside. I want it should be inside. You can go for inside also. Now let's go and enable the ascend bar too. It will help. You can change the color of ascend bar too. Like it will display this way. I want to go for 10 ascend bar. This is also given here inside where it is. Inside the cards, you can make it round corners here. But it should be a 10 pixel again. Now, the next one it is that I told you, click on general, click on effect option. So click on visual border. Inside effect option, click on visual border and also add this round corners to 10 pixel. So now you're getting your card. This way you can design your card. You can add images. You can make formattings on card and so many things. Thank you, Vikash. Okay, those who are having work, they can leave right now, guys, because there are a lot of people are joined with their of their office timing. So they can leave because we have finished the session. But those who are having question, they can ask the question now. No, if you are taking screenshot, it is not allow you to save. It is allow you to save PNG, but not transparent background. Screenshot, that screenshot not allow you to remove the background. Only that screenshot you can save with the PNG extension, but that is not again transparent background image. Rajiv Ghosh. I will give you, I would like to give you something today itself. There is one screenshot application that everybody must use. I always recommended for corporate people. This is a ShareX screenshot application. You can go on Google and check it out. In fact, I have created on a video on it, ShareX. If you search something like, let me go ahead and share ShareX by Learn More. ShareX by Learn More. Or maybe on Complete Technology I have created, I think so. Yeah, this one. This Complete Technology, I think so 2 years back I have created.
It's finally time for you to own a flip phone under 50,000 rupees.
Motorola Razr 50 में segment का largest external display और साथ
1 minute. Let me go to the premium YouTube. Basically, this YouTube will show you a lot of ad. I have premium subscription of YouTube. I don't want to see the ads.
मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, डोंट वरी. साथ में आपको कुछ चीजें हाईलाइट करनी, जैसे
ये हाईलाइट करना होगा, whatever, like I'll explain it. This kind of things you can add in your screenshot. And this is what the ShareX screenshot. Basically, I've created the video on it especially. And you can watch this video too if you want to learn about the screenshot, but I'll just share some glimpse of that screenshot. So if you're going to capture inside the capture, and it will allow you to region. Once you select the region now if you want to send something, some query with someone or something report with someone, right click and go to the edit image now. So this is allow you to add a lot of things, like you can add 1 point, 2nd point, 3rd point. Even you can annotate the 3rd point like this. You can whatever you want to write, you can write it something there and you can highlight it. Not just that, you can magnify it. Look at there. I want to show these features to you guys. My basically graphic designer or those who are working on notes, these are the people are using this particular tool to get proper handy or make proper notes. Even you can show the cursor. I want to show the cursor here. The mouse pointer is coming here. Look at that, cursor is there. Not just that, guys. You can highlight, you can like this. There is a highlighter also. where it is. Even there is something option that I personally like it, which is a smart eraser. Smart eraser allow you to erase smoothly. Look at there, it has erase because it fills the proper background color. Whatever the color in the background, it will apply. See, look at here now. I'm dragging this smart eraser here. This is erasing in a proper manner, proper way. It seems there was no options previously. It seems like that. Even there is a blur option. You can apply the blur. Look at there. So this is really useful. ShareX, okay. Power BI desktop is free, but Power BI services is paid. You can go and Microsoft Power BI desktop, you're using that one. Really. Is there any question, guys? If you have a, you can ask it. Graphic designing, I have the like Meris, you can just check it on my skill course application. Photoshop, Corel Draw, and Adobe Illustrator. I have created videos on it. But let me tell you, I haven't updated on that videos. It was previously created before 2 years back, I think so, and I haven't got that much time to update. I'm not working in that domain right now, but it was pretty good videos because you can learn from these videos how to use the Photoshop, even Corel Draw and Adobe Illustrator too, if you want. And I'm not charging that much for that. If you are interested, go ahead and get that courses also on my like skillcoach.in. You will find out that one. Dax will cover Imranji. I'll don't worry. I'll try to maximize whatever the things that I have learned in Power BI. I'll try to deliver it to you guys. Shivani Jaiswal ji asking how to grow YouTube channel. Wow, great question. Do you have a YouTube channel? You can share the link. Let me check it out if you have created. Because you are asking that question means you must have YouTube channel. That's why you're asking. Or you are planning to create the YouTube channel, maybe. Yes, please share the link with me now. Let me check it out. Power BI desktop, it's totally free. Ayush Prajapati ji, where we can create a kind of report that you are looking right now on a dashboard. So the Power BI desktop, it is totally accessible for everyone. Whenever you want to publish these reports to your seniors, you want to show these reports in your seniors, you must have Power BI services like this. Let me show you. You must have this one. This is called Power BI service. It is just account on online portal. I have Power BI service account, but they are charging around $10 monthly for this particular account. Only companies can afford this kind of services, and they are providing a lot of services in this. You are getting your workplace. You can upload your data. You can upload your PBX file, and you can present this report to anybody. Means you can share this report into the PDF, PowerPoint, Excel. Even you can share this link particular with someone. Let me open something like that, the report that I've shown you. So this way you can publish the report, and if you share this link, anybody can able to access that report easily. And this is all about the Power BI services. But in order to get Power BI services, again, you need to have business email ID. No, it's not the proper link that you are sharing. Just share the link, complete link, Shivani ji.
First we will import NumPy as NP. NumPy is used for multi-dimensional the image of OpenCV. For this, we will define variable image. Score ratio equal to 0.5. We will show the width of image. H underscore ratio equal to 0.5 is pressed. Array bracket open sunflower.
Okay, I've gone through your YouTube video basically. And this is what the video you have created. Okay. There is one more channel, I think so.
हर कोई चाहता है कि उसका अपना
Great. 7.7K subscriber. Started 3 years back. Latest video uploaded 2 days ago. Your latest video was 3 months ago. Okay. Let me help you in this. Yes, Prashant Kumar. The question was asking before this one. If you update any Excel sheet, you can get that similar data inside here. If you adding same data into that sheet, then you just have to refresh the data and you will get that data here. But the previously Vikas was asked the question. I haven't checked it. I don't get that much time actually. Again, if you adding new sheets, the sheet is not updating inside the Power BI. I'll work on it and let you know that one. But if you updated any data inside the existing sheets that you have already imported inside the Power BI, and then just do one thing, just say the refresh inside the Power BI, and that's it. Let me open that Power BI report. Here it is. Here it is the refresh option. Just say refresh. Once you save your Excel file, update your data inside the same sheet that you already imported, previously imported here. The table is previously imported. Just refresh the data. You will be able to see the all complete data here, reflection. But if you're adding new sheet, then I haven't checked it. That the things that I have to check it, and I'll let you know about that. Okay. So about Shivani channel, let me guide you something. First thing about channel. If you are choosing like a particular audience, then you must create videos for that audience only. But first you need to choose a niche topic. So you have like chosen here the AI use to create different types of like what let's convert image into the multiple colors. Okay. So this is what you're creating with AI. You're generating code with AI. And here it is again, that NLP project. There is again chatbot there. You're like showing something. So you must create niche audience that you are targeting. Second, you must be consistent regarding your channel. Like if you are uploading weekly one video, then you must upload weekly one video. This is not for the people, those who are watching. This is for the YouTube analytics. YouTube has the science, YouTube has the logic behind it. Because whenever you are uploading same video on the same time on a weekly basis, YouTube recognize that this person is very serious, damn serious about content creation. And after a few months, not telling about few days, I'm telling about few months, it will take around 3 to 5 months. You have to be consistent between these 3 to 5 months. And once YouTube recognize that, once YouTube got your like things, analytics, that you are uploading very sincerely videos, and people, you are sharing these videos with the people also, and people like or love to watch your videos, and you're getting decent watch time, then YouTube will think about it. What mean by YouTube will think about it? Let me tell you, whenever you are visiting on YouTube, like suppose, let's take over here, whenever you are visiting on YouTube, you're getting some videos over here. Why these videos are coming? I'm not searching about this Vinayak Mali and all. Yeah, of course, I do watch the videos of Vinayak Mali. I love it. But sometimes I'm not searching about these peoples, but still I'm getting these videos over here. Okay. Reason behind it, YouTube promotes these videos, guys. This is called the basically browse feature of YouTube. YouTube allow you to go and get some subscriber from their browse feature. So this, once your video comes into the browse feature, it means that you have done you have cracked the analytics of YouTube. You hack the YouTube, that you can say. I'm just telling you, but this is not about the hacking of YouTube. This is just, I'm telling you, you got the basically what audience want to watch, and you have like able to show them that content, and that's why YouTube is recommending to you. That's why YouTube is showing your future video into the browse feature. But it only happen when there is one thing you need to be consistent. Second things, there must be quality content, not only consistent. You must have a lot of content and you're creating content every now and then, but there must be a quality. Like people should able to uh, stuck on that content. They should able to watch. They should like feel it. Yeah, this is very useful content for me. Let's watch it. So quality content. And while creating this content, your mic, your camera should be proper. Your screen should be in a HD preview. So these are the things that you have to be like notice, and then only you can survive in this YouTube competition. And for another channel, who I don't know the name,
हर कोई
Omkar Meditation. Okay.
चाहता है कि उसका अपना घर हो
Okay, you are very consistent. I think so. 2 days before 5 days, but I need to suggest you. This is your old channel, and if you are uploading same videos on new old channel again by looking for these subscribers, this might be a dead subscriber because you're getting only 50 views right now, day before yesterday, and you're not having again the niche content. You're uploading something content like related to some kind of regional content or something like dharmic content, I don't know. Okay, so maybe like whatever, so you should have to target your audience first. Is there audience, then you should go with the new channel. I recommend you to go with the new channel where you can like YouTube giving opportunity to new channel, not the old one. These are the dead subscribers now. These from these people nobody is going to watch you that much. If it is active subscriber, then there must be views on latest video. So I think you should go with the new channel because you have added 800 videos on this. So again, you can these are the your content. So you can re-upload your content on new channel on regular basis and try giving your shot another chance. So this is my recommendation. I don't know name of your. It is coming 1 2 3 4 5 6. What is your name? I don't know. Shivani Jaiswal, you can go ahead. Short videos. If it is learning content, I will not recommend it to create the short videos. If you have that very good time to create the short videos and it won't take that much time to create short videos, then you can create only. But if short videos taking too much time and if it is learning content, we cannot deliver such a things in a 60 seconds. I also created the short videos, but still I'm also facing the issue that how can I deliver this particular point within a 60 seconds. So this is the challenge for me. And again, short videos not getting that much reflection for me again, because I've created around 200 plus short videos and the most watched short videos. Let me show you now on my channel. You have to go and check the analytics always, guys. If you want to become like something in your life extraordinary, then check the analytics. How to check the analytics of other channels? Let me tell you. Here it is. Go to the short videos. Go to the oldest, popular one. Let me show you 890K only. So it means that I got reach not 1 million even. But in my large video, just go to the videos and go to the popular. You'll say this is what the 2 hours video because it is educational content and watch around 17 million, 9.3 million. And not just this one channel, guys. There are 7 to 8 channels across the YouTube. Around I have around 7 to 8 channels. And on every channel, there are like something like 1 million, 2 million, 3 million views are going on. Because people love to watch, learn consistently, and people want to learn from online. So I recommend you, if it is learning channel, go and create large videos. Okay. So with that being said, it's fun. Uh, it should be you are showing Saddam's screen. Okay, okay. It's actually one account, Zoom account. That's why it is showing like this. That we are zooming. We are viewing. Sorry, we are using only one account. So let me. We can rename the name here also. It's my one Zoom account. The Saddam sir is using same account, and I'm using the same account. A Python programmer, developer, software engineer. So now it will show you Satish Dhawale over there. Mahavir ji. Yes, you can share it on LinkedIn, Ayushi. Okay, later on I'll explain you that one. But for today's sessions, we just have to end today's session because it's lot of to do task to show that how to upload the pro. But I'll later on once you created the dashboard, once we learn to create the dashboard, I'll let you know how to share it on LinkedIn properly by adding some relevant tags related to Power BI and data analyst, how to share it, how to tag the people, how you can present your work on LinkedIn so that whenever recruiters are looking for the people or qualified people for their recruitment, then they will definitely, once they are able to reach your profile, they will recognize that you done this much work. Okay, and try to show your face, Shivaniji, because face identity for tutors is very important. So adjust some cameras, connect your mobile camera. Even nowadays, it is very easy. There is Iron something software. With the help of that, we can connect Iron application. I think so. I run webcam. With this Iron webcam, you can connect your USB to directly computer, and you can access this particular your mobile camera to the laptop, and you can show your face. And for screen recording, you can use OBS too. You have to learn about OBS. I think so. I have created on video on OBS also. We have on my complete technology channel. Or else there are a lot of OBS videos you can go and learn. Before creating anything extraordinary in your life, guys, always learn so many things, not only one specific. If you want to become a YouTuber, then you must learn technical things. If you want to become entrepreneur, you must learn accounting things. And I have learned so many things. That's why I'm on this position right now. Okay. And still I want to serve the people. That's why I'm taking these free batches also. Because I learned so many things in my life. So now it's time to serve or to give back to the people. That's why I'm here, guys. So with that being said, thank you very much for joining today's session. And I'll provide you recording. Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow on the same timing, at the same timing. At the end of this particular masterclass, we'll provide you all these things. Don't worry. We'll provide my channel links. Okay, no problem. Don't worry about it. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye.